In this video, we'll take a look at how ShareGate can help you modify the permissions of your SharePoint environment in order to keep it secure. In ShareGate, not only can you report on your environment's permissions, but you can also modify them. You just ran a permissions matrix report and found a few things you didn't like and wish to modify them? Well, that's possible without even leaving the tool. To do so, let's head over to the Explorer and select the sites where we want to apply the changes. The Actions panel will then appear and will display multiple actions that can be applied to the selected items. Among them are Add Permissions, Remove Permissions, and Copy User Permissions. The Add Permissions will allow you to select one or multiple users and grant them new permissions over the items that were previously selected in the Explorer. You can either add them within existing SharePoint groups, assign them as a site collection administrator, or assign them explicit permissions. These can be out-of-the-box permission levels or custom ones. Add Permissions also allows you to assign permissions to SharePoint groups and Active Directory groups. Just like its name says, the Remove Permissions options is there to help you remove permissions from users or groups. Selecting users or groups will allow you to remove their SharePoint group membership, remove them from the site collection administrators, remove their explicit permissions, or completely remove their permissions. The Copy User Permissions action allows you to select a unique user or group as a source, and then select one or multiple users or groups as targets. Then ShareGate will copy the group membership and permission levels of the source at the target without removing permissions to either one in the process. For example, you could copy the permissions of a user to a new teammate, or copy the permissions of a user to someone that's going to replace him during his vacations. Also, ShareGate offers two easy ways to clean up unwanted permissions. The Clean Orphan Users option will remove all the permissions of users that are disabled or deleted in the Active Directory, but still have permissions in SharePoint. The last one, the Clean Limited Access option, allows you to get rid of unused limited access permission levels that no longer relate to any existing permissions on site elements. Clean Limited Access removes all limited access permissions granted to a target location. In the end, whether you need to add, remove, or copy user permissions, ShareGate has all the features needed to help you secure your SharePoint environment.